Hi, you're watching Adells. Before we start, pause. Let today be slower. If this space feels right to you, hit like and subscribe. You're not alone here. Now imagine this. A room filled with soft light, quiet air, and nothing on your to-do list for the next few minutes. Let yourself be here, fully. You don't need to perform, you just need to be. Gently prepare your pump. You don't have to rush through it. Treat it like a ritual, a moment where your hands move with care and your mind softens. Find your seat. Let your body sink into it. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Roll your shoulders once. Let them drop. There is no tension needed for this. Bring the pump to your body slowly. Let it rest against you like a handshake that doesn't need to prove anything. Adjust until it feels like it belongs there. Start with gentle pressure. Short, light movements. No expectation, just presence. Every moment is enough. If things take time, let them. The body isn't a machine. It listens to feeling, to safety, to stillness. So let the stillness in. Let the flow come when it's ready. Breathe with the rhythm. Eyes open or closed, however you feel most grounded. Maybe a thought floats in. Maybe not. Let it all pass through like waves. When it's time to stop, you'll know. Gently finish. Clean what needs cleaning. Then rest your hands in your lap for just a second more. Thank you for sharing this time with Adells. If this felt calm, safe, or real, please like and subscribe. We're always here, quietly cheering you on.